Good morning, girls. So this is a short tutorial video where I'd like to explain what is the activity of today. I hope you will get as excited as I am right now and how you'll do it, okay? That's the most important question. So this is my layout of Algebraics. When you open it, it'll be more or less like this. You can see that I made it yesterday and but you do it today. So here's a link for the activity that you'll need to copy paste. If you can if you can click on it on the link, but if no, just copy paste. Just select, copy, and paste it into a new link. Okay, and here we go. So this is a website that I created with the instructions that are here. As you can pay attention, it's a speaking activity, so please make sure you prepare for it, but do not read. I can actually say when a student is reading information and when the speech is prepared, but you're still speaking and like following maybe the notes that you have, but you don't read it. Okay, so the activity is like this. Right now we are having a time that is called a quarantine or a social distancing, and I can imagine that it's not easy, girls. Not for you, not for your parents, but you're doing a great job. So I would like you to speak for 30 seconds and share with us what are the main obstacles or difficulties or troubles that you have right now in your house. Okay, I will not give any ideas because I want to hear the ideas from you. I just wrote a few questions that may help you to create this speech. What you do in order to fix this trouble or this difficulty, and who helps you. Okay, there can be different people, probably your family when you pray. So again, I'll try not to give you my ideas. How you do it, okay? This is the activity. You click here. It says it's like a symbol of plus or more. You click on it, and it will appear a new, like a little post-it. And here are 3 dots. Click on 3 dots and look how many things you can do. We'll work with this link further, but the first activity I'd like you to accomplish is the voice note. Okay, so you will click on the voice note and you will just record your voice. It will not be a video. If you want to make it a video, I would love to see you girls. Here is a film. So either of these two, a film or a voice. If you're too shy to use a film, go ahead and just send a voice note. If you can do it, I would really appreciate make a film. Okay, so here we go. Another thing, I can grade it. After that, I will grade it with 100 points. Okay, I will grade it here. Please do not do it yourself. First of all, because that's not the point. Second of all, I can always erase your notes and you will just spend your time. What else? I think that's it, girls. If you have any doubts, make sure to send me a quick note to Algebraics. And that's it. You don't do anything else. Only you just paste it or post it. This activity here, and it's safe. How much time we have? We have tomorrow until midnight. Then I will start grading the activity. I hope you will enjoy it as much as I am enjoying it right now, and I enjoyed it creating for you girls. Take care. I would love to hear and see you. Bye.